Don't talk now.
That hurts. That.
I'm just trying to tighten this knot.
Oh, he's gonna double knot it. Okay, now Kaylee, you tell Daddy if you want it to come out, because if you do, it's coming tonight.
I
ready?
do.
Okay.
Actually, if this doesn't work, I would like Dr. Wheeler to do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that sounds like a great idea. You cool?
You okay? Don't get blood on that shirt.
Amber. What'd you do? I brought how your teeth hit together?
Yeah. That didn't hurt. No.
My battery's gonna die.
Stop, Kaylee.
He's about to pull it. Move your hand. 1, 2, move your hand and I'll say 3.
No.
You want to do it? 1,
Gotta do it. Just
you gotta do
back
pull it
up.
up. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ow.
Let me see it.